Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. The first option is to update the Roblox app. Open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android and check for any available updates for the Roblox app. Install the latest version if available. Another solution is to clear the cache of your Roblox app. On iPhone, you need to offload the app and then reinstall it. So open your Settings app. Here, tap on General. Under General, open iPhone Storage. Here you will see a list of apps installed in your iPhone. So just scroll down until you find Roblox. Once you see it, tap on it. Here you have the option Offload App. Tap on it. Confirm your decision by tapping Offload. Once the app is offloaded, just reinstall it and it will hopefully fix this issue. Another solution is to make sure your internet is up and running. Open your control center and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate any connection issues. If none of these solutions work, consider contacting Roblox support for further assistance. They might be able to provide a more specific troubleshooting steps based on your situation. That is how to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.